we decided since it's windy and it's cold, it's like, it says the real feel is like 33 degrees right now because of the wind. We figured we'd just go for a little bit of a scenic drive. There is a spot down here, pit toilets and stuff. I don't think there's garbage, but we figured we'd go for a little scenic drive, so we'll show you guys what the drive's all about. I went on a bike ride this morning when it was nicer, but now that it's cold, it's like not really worth it. Well, we got to the end. Let me make sure this is the end down here. There's actually a pit toilet down here, a little bit of a boat launch. But yeah, super cool, scenic little drive. Sun's just setting. Not a soul to be found. Now we're gonna make our way out towards the end, figure out where we want to park for the night. Really won't matter too much, but threw the ball for Zeke to see if he wanted to play. He went and got it, and then did his infamous go put it behind a bush and hope no one sees, and then look at me like, where did it go? Where did it go? We should look for it. Goofball. You. Rach made a road s'more. Little miniature one.
Half the size, same amount of flavor.
Then we can do like 2, 3, 4.
What are you pointing at?
See how they built that whole rock enclosure?
Mm-hmm. Think someone's in there?
Yeah. Death Valley. Look at those levels, and then it almost looks like it's like spray painted in the middle. It's so crazy. This place is really unique.
And free.com.
And as Rach just said, free.com. We love free.
Even this is probably only 18 miles off the freeway.
Yeah.
If where we were camping was like 12, you know?
Let's see if I can get a good picture of that one that's hanging. No, it's right there now. Yeah, not too bad. Trying to think of how many miles it would be of like single washout, like what we're driving right now, or just like single
like 6
lane.
or 7.
Yeah. Wow, look at that. That's so cool. Looks all like honeycombed and
Kind of like iridescent.
yeah. Got a leader today on our
Scenic drive.
he's like, it's cool as long as I'm in the lead. This is great. I don't know why you guys didn't let me do this on the first 4 miles. Keeps looking back like
He's probably like, leave me alone.
yeah, right. Trailing me. You good, dog? No, stay over there. He wants to run. Good boy. You can come in whenever you want. Like this one here, I don't even know how that's still staying there. And if it fell, that's crazy. So we got back from our car ride. Rachel video chatted with her sister, brother-in-law, and nephew. I said hello as well, went outside with Zeke for a bit. Just finished another video actually, so I believe I got 3 videos done today, which is great. That's huge. Then I told Rachel I think you joked about it. You said, do you want a snack or do you want a quesadilla? Didn't you say, do you want a quesadilla? And I said, are you kidding? And you said, no, you're serious. And then I said, are you serious? And then you said, yeah, I'm serious. We're having a midnight snack. It's not midnight. It's like 8:40, 9 o'clock maybe. 8:40. Wow.
To our defense, we ate a late breakfast, a late lunch. Now we're just gonna have a little snacky snack.
Yeah, it was a light lunch. I mean, we just buffalo chicken dip. Like, I mean, it wasn't a big, heavy lunch, right? Yeah.
Thing.
So onions, jalapenos, green pepper, sour cream, 3 different salsas, banana peppers,
Lots of cheese.
pepper jack cheese, and we got a ton of chicken, so we're gonna load them up. We've had these wraps for what, a week?
At least, yeah.
Right around there.
Oh, my lips are so chapped.
I got that other bottle of bourbon, the Bonneville salt flats. Bonneville salt flats. Could just look at the bottle, but this one just had a little whisker left, so I figured I'd clear her out to make some space since we live in a van. Cheers.
Going into a whiskey drinker.
Anyone who's nomadic, I think I've said this in other videos, or does van life and doesn't have an ice maker, if you have one in your fridge, that's a different story. We use our Dometic as 2 fridges, so not a fridge and a freezer. We just tend to get more fresh food. It works for us. We would certainly love a freezer, but if it was just one bay designated to a freezer, I think it'd be pretty hard for how we eat for us. Leftovers, fruit. We like leftovers, so we tend to try and cook a meal that will last us 2 or 3 times. But an ice maker, game changer. Those things are like 50, 60 bucks. And it's pretty cool when it's 90 degrees and you can have ice or a mixed drink with ice, a margarita with ice, all the good things. Zeke is cashed out, so we let him out for a little bit. Look at the little boy. Him and I went for a 6.5 mile bike ride this morning. He was doing really good. He was just pacing alongside me, didn't seem fatigued or that his front leg was bothering him, so that was great. And then he was really kind of bugging us to get out of the van as we were driving back from our little scenic evening sunset drive. So we let him out for a little bit and he just kind of went alongside the van. There was a couple times where he'd wander a little close, but he was good. We were going real slow. We were going like 7 to 10 miles an hour, which if he was right next to us, that's all it would take to run him over for sure. But he was sticking on the sides or going up into kind of the top of the berm, if you will, or above where they plowed the road, so that was good. Supposed to be a sunrise tomorrow. We're in a canyon though, so I don't really know how that'll play out. Might be some nice oranges and stuff, and then we'll have to see. I might shoot my gun here. It's BLM, so that'd be nice to do. And then we'll see whatever time Rachel wants to head out, and we'll maybe head over towards Moab. Definitely want to do some biking there, and then I believe we'll go into one of the parks tomorrow evening since it's supposed to be nice. Is that the plan, Sugar Buns?
That's the plan, Stan. I gotta shave this cheese.
What park? You look like you're wearing my flannel.
Just noticed?
No, I'm just kidding. I just thought I was looking at myself as I was filming because my hair, up until I got my hair cut, was about as long as yours too. What park do you want to go to tomorrow? Oh, that was nice of you. You think Arches just for convenience, or go to Canyonlands and then check out that spot? Spot might be tough though. There might even be snow up there.
Yeah, I don't know. Wish either of the parks had dog stuff.
I know, that's the bummer. But if I play with him tomorrow before we head out of here, he'll be fine. He'll be good. And especially if we camp by like Dino Tracks or where I went biking that one time. He can play ball all day long there. You can have this one then.
One more minute, it would have been bad.
Quesadillas.
Hope I put enough cheese in there.
It's all good. Can always add to them. I used to love quesadillas from Taco Bell. That's what I get on my lunch.
Really? I don't think I ever had one from there.
Really? This was back in the day before they started like cutting portions on everything though too. So it was actually like decent for your money for the $4 or whatever it is. Now it's probably 12. It's crazy in this canyon. It's like pitch black out there, like can't see your hand in front of your face black.
I don't think I want to drink this late at night.
I don't care. I won't say anything.
No, I just meant for me.
We could stay up, watch a movie or something, or get real loud. They're good. Cheers.
Very good.
Quesadillas were a huge success, right?
You're very good.
Super good. We'll probably do some tomorrow too.
You're very quick.
Maybe we won't do some tomorrow, but we got enough chicken to where...
And enough quesadillas.
Yeah, so we probably will. We really like Mexican. Any of you that have watched any of these other videos, that's kind of our go-to. It's easy, switch up the propane, switch up the protein, and yeah, switch up the protein, and it's just like, you know, steak to chicken to turkey, different seasonings. They're great for leftovers, so that's probably one of our go-to meals, but I don't think we've ever done quesadillas in the van, have we?
We did, and you're gonna laugh at me because I remember exactly where it was.
Really? God, that's so crazy.
It was the day we were in Capitol Reef, and we had just come out of the canyon, and then it got all dark and stormy looking.
Okay, in that parking lot?
Yeah.
With the Sprinter van with the United States map on the side? Really?
Yeah.
I still don't remember.
I put them in the air fryer.
Okay. Yeah, I still don't remember quesadillas, but I do remember that exact day. Crazy.
You can go up.
What was my lap? Okay. I just wanted to make sure he didn't jump on it. Yeah, so that was great. Really good stuff. I'm going to continue to put on a video here for a bit.
It's 9:21. A little bit of a late dinner.
It's okay, though. And then we will see.
So, can I rearrange that?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Oops. All right, well.
Make sure this video is good. But that's that. We'll catch you guys in the morning.
Good night.
Have a good night. Peace, love, respect.
And planet Earth.
And planet Earth. His face.
Are his eyes open?
You gotta drain your pee-pee? Do you gotta drain your bladder? You gotta go potty? Do you wanna go potty, or are you staying in here? Oh.
Creaky bones.
Turn the lights on out there for us. Yeah. Find my shoes. These lights are a must. Except for the fact that the stars look great, and that is going to ruin them, but just for keeping an eye on him and where he's going to the bathroom. Yeah, go potty. I want to say these things were like 25-30 bucks on Amazon. I wired them in right to the house batteries, so to our lithium batteries. And we have some on the front too, 3. So the same setup in the front. And those are just wired to the actual van battery. Should shut those lights off though and check out the stars after this. Just lights this right up though, it's great.